it's Mary, the Merry Bag Lady, and I am a director with 31 Gifts, and today is the first day of our spring 2019 season. And I wanted to share with you how excited I am to open my new spring enrollment opportunity kit. So the spring opportunity kit is a $99 pink box full of the top selling products, prints, and newness for this spring and summer. It's $99 to you, but it is actually valued at over $350 worth of product. And it also includes a bunch of business supplies, which you'll see in a second, that will help you start your business strong with order forms and catalogs and all of that good stuff. So we're gonna dig in and get to see it all live right now. So this pink box is what I'm about to open. You're not gonna see it all on camera all at once, except for right now, so enjoy it. This pink box is the perfect size and shape for our #1 best-selling tote, the large utility tote. So every 31 kit, whether you get the signature kit or the deluxe enrollment kit, you're gonna have a large utility tote because it is the 31, what I like to call, the 31 gateway bag. It's the bag you never knew you needed until you have one, and then you need about 15. You wonder how you ever lived without it. So I'm gonna pull that out in just a second. First on top, we have a big pack of business supplies. So you'll get catalogs, spring guides, and a brochure on how to start your journey, where to begin, what your first step should be, and how to navigate the website, the products, and all of that along the way. So you get your new catalogs. Here's the new spring catalog right here, as well as the spring guide that complements it. So you'll get your own copies of these business supplies, and then you get to dig into your product. So here, I'm gonna share with you first our large utility tote, okay? So this large utility tote is, as I just mentioned, the #1 bestseller of all time. This comes in a new print called Fun Flags, and this is a great seasonal bag, right? So you have the colors all in there. It looks kind of like it's just red, white, and blue when you're standing a little far away, but there's little bits of oranges and greens, and it's a really nice, fun print for the whole season. I'm gonna move my pink bag away, my pink box away, sorry, and dig right into this LUT. So on top of the large utility tote, we have the Tapa Tote, clever name, right? And this has elastic pockets that hook right onto the edges, and your straps actually can pull right through. And this tote stays on, this top stays on your tote to keep things either clean or protected, or just to keep everything contained. It has a clear PVC pocket, so you can see whatever's inside, whether you're using it for on the go or you're using it for storage. The top comes with your kit, and it's a great add-on, especially since you'll be carrying this around to your parties and your vendor events and wherever else you're taking your business on the go. So one product that I really love is just totally versatile. This is called the All-In Organizer. So we have side pockets with elastic on the tops there, so you can squeeze different things in on the go. You can take this to work, in the car, for kids things, for coupon organizing, whatever you're doing on the go, great little bag. It's also great for just having around the house and for car organization. So love the All-In Organizer. And this is Pinwheel Party, a new spring print as well. And if you can see these two together, these colors complement each other beautifully. And there's other products that, of course, you can get in these prints as well that will really work nicely together to flesh out your collection this season. So the next one thing I want to show you is the cinch sack. So our drawstring backpack is not our best seller, but a top seller. And this is only $20, okay? It's great for kids or adults, for vacations, for summer, for, you know, wherever you're going out and about. This comes in our charcoal, classic signature charcoal crosshatch. And there is a new llama icon embroidered right on there. Every personalization looks great on the charcoal though. So this is just one example, but the embroidery that comes on these products is standard with your signature enrollment kit. So you do get these products personalized, but you don't get to choose the personalization. But that's okay because they picked awesome, adorable things for you. All right, so that's the llama icon on our cinch sack backpack. The next thing I'm going to show you is one of our favorite thermals. Customers love this picnic thermal. It's called the picnic thermal, which, you know, you could use it for a picnic. It's great for a beach day. It's great for a trip to the wineries. You can hold a bunch of bottles of wine in here. And it has a leak lock lining. So basically, liquids and things won't spill out. You can put ice directly in there and it won't leak. So this is a new print that is a little navy and white scallop stripe with the red icon on the front there with that anchor. There's a little sky blue strap, really cute, great for all seasons. And of course, with the icon here, extra nautical. So that's the picnic thermal. Next is another component to our llama collection, which is the thermal tote. So the thermal tote is the original 31 lunch thermal. It holds a ton of stuff, so you can use this for, you know, really your full lunch at work or for kids or whoever is going to be needing it. We have the llama here on the front side, and this isn't embroidered. This is just comes this way with the llama printed on the tote, and the back has this new green cabana stripe print. So that's a really cute one, the green with the orange accent. And of course, can't go wrong with the llama. After that, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite home decor items. So this is one of our statement canvas pillow covers. And this, of course, you can read it yourself, has Sunshine on My Mind. And this is a screen printed design. You can also embroider our pillow covers. But I love the way this colorful, bright new flip-flop design fills up the whole space. This is, you know, you can put it on a pillow you have already. You can get another 18 by 18 or 20 by 20 insert. And it's a really great gift, as well as item for you and for your home. So our pillow covers are super fabulous. All right, that is one home item that comes in the signature kit. One awesome accessory that I love is the zipper pouches. So this new statement canvas zipper pouch can be screen printed as well. This is one of our brand new designs. This is the bumblebee. I know sometimes people love the bumblebees, sometimes people do not, but whatever it is, it makes for an awesome little design on your pouch. Pouches are great because they can accessorize whatever else you're carrying and move from bag to bag. So whether you're going to the beach, whether you're at work, whether you're going to, you know, the gym, wherever you're going, this pouch can pop into your different bags and move with you throughout the day or the night. Okay, so this is an awesome little accessory and can be customized with different personalization as well, if bumblebees are not your thing. After that, we have the Retro Metro bag. This is one of our signature bags that's been around for a while. Actually, it came back a couple years ago because it was so popular. Just a nice, big, thick canvas shoulder tote. This is a new print called Stepping Stone. So this is like different colors, grays, charcoal, light gray, and white. And like I said, it's called Stepping Stone. It has two big pockets on the outside, and this one has a little accent with a lobster claw here to attach your keys or whatever else you need to hook on for easy access. What I love about the Retro Metro bags is that they have these little inspirational phrases inside. So mine says, I can and I will, and it's true. So that's the Retro Metro. Definitely a popular one with our customers, and I'm sure will be with your customers before too long. And then we have our #2 bestseller of all time, the Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote. So the Zout, the Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote, or Zout, is this awesome 7-pocketed bag. So you have 7 big pockets around the outside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then on the edges, 6, 7, these big elastic mesh pockets. This holds everything you're ever gonna need. I can tell you all the ways you would use this, but you will find new uses. So it's a great big open tote here, fits perfectly on your shoulder, and this new green cabana stripe is great for spring or summer, will last you all season long. So this is a Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote. And by the way, your customers, especially moms, teachers, and nurses, are gonna go crazy for this one, so they love it. Last but not least, I'm going to show my favorite set in this signature enrollment kit, and that is the All About the Benjamins wallet with the matching wristlet strap. So the Benjamins wallet has this little D-ring here, so you can hook your wristlet strap on. I haven't taken my packaging off, so it's not attached yet, but you hook it right on there, and this wallet is the best. This wallet not only has wonderful slots and compartments and things for your cash and your cards and your receipts and your whatever else you have, checkbooks and whatnot. But you can also put your phone right in here and then zip the whole thing up. So what I do is I have my wallet with the essentials I need for my wallet all wrapped up, put my phone in there, zip that closed. I hook on my wristlet strap and I keep my key fob hooked on there as well for my car. So that all I need to do is take this little set, has my keys, my phone, my cash, my ID, and everything I need for on the go, and this goes everywhere with me. So this is an awesome set, and guess what? Just at the cost of this wallet with the wristlet strap and your large utility tote with its lid is already more than the $99 that you would spend on this entire collection of products. Think about that. It doesn't take much crazy bag lady math to find out that it's definitely the best deal in the catalog, and the opportunity to make money that's inside that bag and that pink box is even bigger than the deal that you get just for joining and grabbing that kit when you start up. So if you have questions, you can always reach out to me. You can find me here. You can find me at themerrybaglady@gmail.com. And I would love to talk to you about starting up your 31 business, answer any questions that you have as you think about the next steps here in this awesome bag lady path. We always say the life you love is in the bag, and it really, truly is. So hope you enjoyed checking out all these new spring products with me, and I hope to welcome you to our team soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.